We at Homerton strongly believe in the theory that every learner is unique. Here, we offer a perfectly blended curriculum by combining the traditional theory with experiential learning that caters to every unique child's need. We have observed that some children learn by seeing, others by hearing, a few by reading and writing, but most children today are kinesthetic learners who learn best by doing. Hence, at Homerton, we have integrated experiential learning curriculum that allows students to gain hands-on experience of real-world concepts by following a process of experiencing, reflecting, thinking, and acting. We implemented this approach by introducing active learning methods like Montessori in early years, art integrated learning, and project based learning in primary and middle years. Then, this approach translates into an academically rigorous program in the senior years. For instance, to introduce a topic like sense organs and the sensory roles, we take learning beyond the textbook by engaging students in activities like action dances, rhymes and songs, making audiovisual presentations, as well as conducting experiments.